Man, I tell you, I'm on a roll with these uploads. I haven't uploaded videos in a while, but getting it all out. All right, next little tip, trick, whatever you want to call it. This is the binding I have for my yokes in the aircraft. Had a little extra, so I'm like, why not fancy up the little tow bar here? And this makes a world of difference. This is just, metal. It's probably the cheapest metal you can get, but you put, a couple minutes time worth of wrapping this bad boy in it, and man, it makes it nice. It's squishy. It's good to handle. You got sweaty hands. You're not slipping off. This thing's not falling on the ground. Looks aesthetically pleasing, except for that little bit. I probably shouldn't have done that. Yeah, it is what it is. Showing off the little tag there, but man, it makes a lot of difference. So, highly recommend it. Give it a try.